Ano?
I just want the phone.
I cannot hear you.
I said I just want the phone.
You're only 8 years old.
But people 8 years old, like everyone in my class already has a phone.
Bawal yun. Hindi yung pwede sa school.
They have a phone and they use it at home.
Oh. You're just too young to have phone. You don't know how to use it.
I do. I know how to use it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
O, anong gagawin mo sa phone? Anong usage ng phone?
Stuff like the study board, they use email for
Oh, may laptop.
help.
May
But
laptop
it's
pa.
harder there. I really
Oh.
want it in the phone.
What is the difference ng phone at saka ng laptop?
The
It's
laptop
the same.
has keys.
Oh, which is better?
Laptop isn't better when I play Roblox.
Oh.
It's harder to
Yon.
there.
Because gusto mo maglaro. That's why you want phone.
Yeah, but I really wanted to watch it. I just can't watch it on TV.
Hindi
all
mo alam
day.
yung importance ng phone. Phone are not used for that.
Yes,
It used
they
for...
are.
Bakit ka umiiyak?
I just want the phone.
8 years old ka pa lang.
And it's always the 18. Thought I said 10.
Oh, may 9 years old ka pa and then 10 years old.
But you're saying 18.
Eh, bakit ka umiiyak? You,
Can't you give me one at 9?
hindi ka pa rin naman magkakaroon ngayon sa 10 years old mo pa. Then why are you crying?
I have one at 9.
When do you want to have phone?
9. Everyone in my class has phones.
You don't need that. Your teacher is calling me, emailing me.
And I could take photos and I could send it to Miss Saki for some stuff.
Wala naman sinasabi din si teacher na you can send photos.
It is like the flat Stanley one.
I send it.
Can't I just get one at 9?
Kailan mo gusto magka-phone?
9.
Anong 9? 9 what?
9 years old.
Oh, you still cannot have it today. You're just an 8.
But my birthday is coming at 9 November 11. Can't I have it on November 11?
Ay, kailangan maging ano ka, maging perfect ka sa school. You study first.
Why say that?
Because study first.
And you don't know how measuring works. You don't know what
Eh, kaya nga
what
mag-i-study ka.
pictographs
Study hard.
are. You don't know what Venn diagrams are.
Oh, kaya nga. You study.
You don't know what tallies are.
Oh. When you perfect all your grades, you can have it by 9.
All that. You always say that to me. It's on how
Mag-promise ka
you
muna
learn.
sa akin. Pag na-perfect mo yung school mo, you can have phone at 9.
You always say that.
Eh, syempre. Oh, ano?
All you need to do is save money. You said when you do your job for an hour, you get $20 per. Can't you just save that?
No, I cannot say that. Kailangan ko. Kakain tayo.
Yeah, but you always use your card. Can't you just save it? You just don't go to the bank and put your always deposit all that
Hindi yun
money
ganun, Riley.
into your card.
Kailangan food muna.
Then why can't you just save more?
I'll save more. For you.
And you don't even you didn't even want me to get a phone. You had Riker's phone. My phone didn't even work because of the charger.
Riley, bakit ka umiyak? What are you talking about?
You took Riker's phone do